here's how to save your Canva project as a PDF. So if you want to export your Canva project as a PDF, what you need to do is open up your Canva project. Then you want to go to the top right where you see the share button. From here, you're going to want to go down to where it says download. Go ahead and click on that. Next, we're going to need to go under the file type. It's going to, by default, be a PNG. What we want to select is either PDF standard or PDF printing. Now for a PDF print, this is going to be for more high quality PDFs. So if you have like a lot of high quality graphics, you might want to go with the PDF print. Or if you just have like a basic resume, you can go ahead and select where it says PDF standard. You also have two options. You can also flatten the PDF, and this is just going to convert all the content on your PDF page into a single per page image. And you can also select the option to include notes as well. But once you do that, you can go ahead and click on where it says download, and it's going to automatically export this Canva project as a PDF file. So again, just go to the share button, click where it says download, select PDF standard or PDF, select PDF standard or PDF prints as your file type, and then go ahead and click on where it says download.